at the market from the perspective of Oliver Sloup in Chicago. He's there at the edge of the trading pit. So big action in cattle. Have they been overdue for a market action like that, given the fact that we had that big sell-off late last week?
Well, the outside markets are going to be the driving factor and the focal point in this week's trade. We saw the stock market have a big rip going into the close on Friday. That was after cattle already closed, so that kind of set the tone in a positive way to end the week. We opened up last night's trade in the outside market, sharply lower, rebounding and trading higher in about a 4.5% range, which is absolutely mind-boggling. So they're getting some ground underneath them today. That is certainly helping cattle. If stocks in the outside markets continue to rally, this will bode really well, I think, for the cattle market. I think you're going to want to look past that front month April contract as well. I think you're going to want to see that June contract get its ground underneath it, and I think there's a tremendous amount of value near $1 to about 102, so long as the stocks don't fall apart. And I think the stocks are probably a little bit overdone in the near term. That's not to say that the low is in or the volatility is going to subside, but I think that June contract is pretty good property for a longer term trade.